Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm one of the youth librarians at Skokie Public Library, and joining me today is...
Desi!
Today, we are excited to talk about flinging things. There's something so satisfying about watching a projectile fly through the air when you've hit that perfect arc.
Wait a minute, does this mean you're rethinking the no balls in the house rule?
Not even a little bit. I'm talking about catapults. Hey Des, do you know what a catapult is?
Yes, it's a contraption that launches things.
Yeah, that's right. A catapult is a machine that releases built-up tension in order to fling an object. Make sense?
Not really.
Don't worry, we're gonna go into it. So first of all, let's talk about why you might want to use a catapult. These machines have been around since ancient times. They were used as weapons.
Oh, so you could throw something heavy really far.
Yep. Ancient and medieval warriors flung rocks and spears at their opponents. I can see how it would be a good way of attacking something without putting yourself or your army directly in harm's way.
Unless both sides have a catapult.
Yeah, then look out below! Anyway, that's the background, but it's not the reason I find catapults exciting. For me, it's all about the energy.
We like.
Yeah, actually, that's part of it. Catapults rely on two types of energy. Kinetic, that's energy in motion, and potential, that's energy that is built up but not released.
So, kinetic energy is energy that's created by movement.
Yes. When you are running and playing, your body's movement is kinetic energy. Interesting side note, you know how you get all hot and sweaty after a good play session? The kinetic energy that your body produces when you're getting exercise is converted to thermal or heat energy. Humans are amazing machines.
And potential energy is like waiting to happen? Exactly.
Think of a rubber band that's waiting to snap, or when I'm holding your sled back at the top of a big hill, or a big, enormous tower of blocks. You got it now?
I think so, but you know what I always say.
Can I stay up for 15 more minutes?
Yes. Wait a minute, I'm thinking of that thing you always say.
Oh, the best way to learn a new concept is through a catchy song?
If you sing a catchy song,
you'll never get it wrong. A boulder rolling down a hill.
A toddler that just won't hold still.
A tooth that's wiggly as can be.
That's kinetic energy.
Nice! A rubber band about to break.
A really angry rattlesnake.
A glass that's placed precariously.
That's potential energy.
Oh yeah!
Alright, I think I get it, but what do wiggly toddlers and angry rattlesnakes have to do with catapults?
Oh, I'll show you. So catapults work when the potential energy that is stored by pulling back your launching mechanism is released, converting it to kinetic energy. Pew! Potential energy. Pew! Kinetic energy. And now we are going to show you how to make a catapult of your very own. There are a million different ways to make these, so if you like this one, I encourage you to check them all out.
It would be cool to make a bunch of different ones and test them.
That would be cool. So for this project, you are going to need approximately 10 popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, a bottle cap, and some glue.
And most important, something to throw.
How can I forget? Take 1 stick and glue your bottle cap to the top. Let it dry. If you don't have a bottle cap, you can also use a plastic spoon. Just rubber band it to your launching stick. Stack 8 of the popsicle sticks horizontally, then slide 1 more vertically between the first and second stick. Rubber band the 2 ends of your stack. Place the final stick vertically on top, in line with the one on the bottom, then rubber band the bottom ends together. And you're done! Thanks for watching, engineers, and happy launching! Boing!